Good morning, class. Before we start our class for today, may I introduce myself first? I am Mrs. Soraya Magtimbang. Just call me Teacher Aya. Okay, class, may I request everyone to please stand up for our prayer. Mrs. Dino, can you lead our prayer? Amen. Thank you. Good morning, class. How's your day today? Very good. Now you may now take your seat. Class, who's absent today? None? Very good. Okay, class, before anything else, I will read you our classroom rules. First, be prepared. Keep the classroom clean. Participate actively, and last one, follow direction. Now, before we start our lesson for today, who among you remember our lesson yesterday? Yes, Mr. Rosas? Yes, very good. Give a 5 clap. Thank you. Now, class, we will having a activity here. I will read the situation or the question and you may answer it. These are the situation or the question. I am thinking of a number. If you add 5 to it, the result is 12. What's the number? We'll have a question here. How can we represent this situation using math? And what makes it different from just writing a number sentence? Now, raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes, Mrs. Dino. Mr. Rosas, you can go to the board. Okay, very good. Now, class, I will divide you into 2 groups. We will have a group activity. The first group 1 is the sum of a number and 8. And the second is twice a number in 20. Okay, class, you may now start your activity. Okay, now, class, before I discuss our lesson for today, you will read our objective first. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, class, our topic for today is all about expression and equation. Okay, who among you or are you familiar with the word expression, or are you familiar the topic of expression? Any idea? Okay. Now, expression is an expression or algebraic expression is any mathematical statement which consists of numbers, variables, and an arithmetic operation between them. For example, 4m plus 5 is an expression where 4m and 5 are the term and m is the variable of the given expression, separated by the arithmetic sign plus. Okay, class, here the algebraic expression. The example is 5p plus 4. The term parts of the 5p plus 4 is the 5p. And the coefficient, the term parts of the 5p plus 4 is the 5 and 4. The coefficient, the numerical factor of a term that contains a variable is number 5 here. Okay, now what is the variable, teacher? The variable is a symbol, usually a letter that present. Okay, the plus sign. That is the variable. The plus sign here is the variable. Okay, next is the constant. A term with number 4. The number 4 here is our constant. Okay, class? Nakuha. The term parts is 5 and 4. The coefficient here is the number 5, and the variable here is the sign number, which is the plus, and the constant here is the number 4. Here's our example of expression. We have a symbol and press. The symbol here is the number, which is the number is 8 plus 6, and the press of the 8 plus 6 is the sum of 8 and 6. The sum here is the plus. Okay, class, nakuha? Yung 8 and 6, and the sum here, ang keyword here is ang sum. What is sum, teacher? Sum is a plus. Okay, nakuha? Yeah. Next is 7 minus 3. The difference of 7 and 3. Teacher, paano nalaman na minus, teacher? Okay, the keyword here is different. Okay, class? The keyword here is different. Kaya 7 minus 3. And the press of 7 minus 3 is the difference of 7 and 3. Next one is 5 times 2. The product of 5 and 2. Okay, the keyword here is product. What is product, teacher? Okay, products is times. Next one is 9 divided into 3. The quotient of 9 and 3. And the keyword here is quotient. Okay, class, nakuha? Maliwanag? Any clarification? Okay, let's proceed. Now, dito naman tayo sa equation. What is equation, class? Any idea? Okay, none. Okay, an equation is a mathematically statement with an equal to. Okay, kung sa expression is walang equal, so sa equation, class, is may equal. Okay, nakuha? Symbol between two expression that have equal values. For example, 3x plus 5 is equal to 15. There are different types of equation like linear, quadratic, and cubic, etc. Okay, here's the example of equation, class. Number 1, y equals to 8x minus 9. Number 2, y plus 2x2 minus 7. And the last one is 7 plus 2 equal to 10. Okay, ano yung pagkaiba ni equation and expression, teacher? Now, ang pagkaiba ni expression and equation, si expression is walang equal sign or equal to. Si equation naman is may equal to or may equal. Okay? Nakuha? Okay, class. Here are the parts of an equation. There are different parts of an equation which include coefficient, variable, operation, and constant terms, expression, and unequal sign. Okay, kung sa expression, teacher, is may coefficient, may term, may constant, si equation, meron din naman, but si equation is may equal to na sign. Okay. The example here is 2x plus 9 equals 24. The 2 here is the coefficient. The x here is the variable. The plus sign here is the operation. And the 9 here is the constant. And the equal or the total of this number is 24, which is ito si constant. Okay? Ang term dito is yung 2x plus 9. Okay, class, any clarification? Nakuha ba si expression and equation? Okay, very good. Now, we will have a meron kayong sasagutin, identifying expression and equation. You will answer it into 1/4 sheet of paper. Are you all done? Okay, now we will have a homework. Pass it tomorrow. Okay, class. That's for today. Goodbye, class. Thank you so much.